Yeah, beautiful morning, ladies and gentlemen. Can you guys hear me? Guess our internet is it a little bit better? It's okay today. I guess it's okay. Can you guys hear and see me loud and clear? Let's get started. Let's get started. Okay, Andy Wale, is beautiful morning to you. How you doing? Now today be the first day where you join first. I wish I will always be the first to join. Now only today. Welcome. Shibueze, good morning. Where you guys joining us from? Please drop your location. Lalsal, hello. That name sound strange. Just joining us. What's your name and your location? Adekomi Adedoyin, morning to you. What's your name and your location? Oscar, how you doing? Where are you joining us from today? Shibueze, where are you joining us from? Olufe, how you doing, Baba? How you doing? Olufe, if I'm right, you are joining us from UK. Okay, UK. Don't worry. You might still want to decide to go on vacation, maybe to US or Dubai. FX team joining from Enugu, Shibueze from Ojo, Oscar Smith from Dubai, Marcus, where you joining us from today, Fidelity from Benin. Beautiful morning, ladies and gentlemen. If you have not smashed the like button, come on, do that right now. It's absolutely free. Nobody's gonna charge you for smashing that like button. Innocent Obina from Abuja. Only pay say when I start to make money, we go travel together. It's all right now. You go. Marcus from Oshogbo. Guys, drop your location. Adekomi from Indianapolis, from USA, America. Drop your location, guys. Drop your location. Let's get started. Yes, our internet is a lot better today, guys. This internet of it almost discouraged me from doing live session today. Almost discouraged me from doing live session. I just be like, oh, come on. Let me look at it again. I guess it's the network of MTN, but yes, we're good now. What do you guys think? So this morning we ain't doing so much. We're gonna go through some charts. Then after going through those charts, then we go through question and answer. Okay. For the people in private channel, we get beef. For the people in the signal channel, we get beef. Oh, and you guys know the reason why we get beef. You guys know. The ones that are free from my beef, you know yourself too. So for you to love from Canada, Emmanuel Odedeji from Osun State, and the Wales say you should remember to smash the like button, guys. How you guys doing today? How you guys doing? How's the night? Who is in this trade? Who is in this trade currently? Or let me know if you are in any swing trade. Which swing trade are you in right now? GBP is the only one I called yesterday, and that was another entry. We already have a previous entry. You guys can see it on the screen right now. We already have a previous entry, and our first entry is massively in profit. Now we have our second entry. You know, this thing is very simple. There's no any cajole about this. So once you listen to the instruction I'm giving you, once you focus on the knowledge, once you follow my instruction, you're gonna go. So it's as simple as that. You guys can see when this thing was happening, I quickly identify what I identify head and shoulder pattern. So having identified head and shoulder pattern, I told you guys you need to worry less about news as a swing trader. All we just do is that it's either the news give us a better entry or we're out of the, it give us a very good profit. So now as you see the neckline of that head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern, I said after the break there will be a retest. I drew this yesterday. I remember I drew this yesterday. So upon drawing this, I say when this market gets here, we're gonna get him, and we did, and then boom. Where's our entry? Our entry is somewhere around because I had to add another position also. Okay, I'm coming. I think I pick our entry on 1 hour time frame. I pick our entry on 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is our entry. You guys can see this is our entry. Let me widen this a little bit. Can you see? This is our entry right here. Why did I enter this trade? I was waiting for a bullish engulfing candles. Very, very simple. I actually make sure the close of this candle is when we enter. You can see I've seen that this market has gotten here. Upon getting here, I spot in an immediate reversal. If I scroll down to 15 minutes time frame, you guys will see that we'll have better entry. But I want to be sure that is this market done retracing. So that's I have to pick my entry from the 1 hour time frame. So upon using 1 hour time frame, after I know that this candle is actually coming to retest this neckline, then another thing is that I will get a candlestick confirmation to know our entry. So upon the close of this bullish engulfing candle, we up in, and ladies and gentlemen, we are up in profit. We're up in profit. What do you guys think? Kanye, I miss you. What's up? How you doing? Why you join us from today, Kanye? Morning, sir. I've missed you, good people. I've smashed the like button. That's beautiful. I've missed you too. Even before I read your miss you, I've already stated my own clearly. I miss you too. What's up with you? You know, there are some people, when you know their commitment, their loyalty, their submission, when you don't see them, you quickly know that where is this person? Someone like Juliana, someone like Efemina Richard, someone like Graham Lewis. Now I don't know even where Graham Lewis go to now. It's been a while I hear from Graham Lewis. Someone like who is that again? I have some of them that if I don't see them, I quickly know that I've not been seeing this person. What's up? Okay, so Flabby Chess say I'm still in Drake. Beautiful. Marcus say I'm on GBPSD trade since yesterday. Interesting. It's a swing trade anyway, so I didn't expect anyone to be out unless if you are unless if you are the trading, which I won't say you shouldn't do, but that's a swing trade that I call. Yeah, sorry. Marcus say also I'm in NAS since last week, but it almost drained my account. But thank God it has been going uptrend. Don't you know what you are risking? Why do you allow it to drain your account? Madam Teresa, good morning. How are you, ma? How you doing? Konodokere from Port Harcourt. Atoshi, where are you joining us from today? Bamidele Olatunji, where are you joining us from today? So you guys should drop your location, and I'm only doing a post analysis while we enter this GBP USD trade. I'm only doing a post analysis while we enter that GBP USD trade. Okay, so having said that, if you see this trade retracing, don't panic, or let me put it in Nigerian style, don't fall. If you see this trade retracing, there's likely for a retracement from here. I don't know anywhere it's going to start retracing, but it's going to actually come to retrace to this level. Let me draw this level somewhere around here. Let me delete this. This has played out, so it's likely we got a retracement for here and then continuation to the upside. Remember, when a pair is going maybe in 500 pips, 1000 pips, it doesn't just go straight. It goes in waves, come down, like that. So if it's going to retrace, it's probably come and retrace here and then continue to the upside. Ladies and gentlemen, that's that about GBP USD. Now let's look at NAS 100. NAS 100 has just been doing some kind of consolidation. Either way, I'm still very bullish on this. I was expecting this price to touch this trend line, but it didn't before it started rallying up now. Anyway, we don't know what his decision is going to be. Maybe it will still come and retest this trend line before it start going massively to the upside. PPJPY, ladies and gentlemen, is kind of giving me what I will call observation. I'm observing this very closely and seriously. So, but I'm observing it from daily time frame. That what's happening. I guess it's a retracement. If it's a retracement, then let's draw a Fibonacci and know what is going on. Okay, where's it? This trend, let's say the trend started from here to here. Okay, wow. If this market is going to trend retest come to this level before it starts going to the upside, that's a long journey, ladies and gentlemen. Around here. Okay. I'll start the trend. This trend started from here. If you go to 4 hours time frame, you understand what I'm saying. There has been some consolidation, but this proper trend started from here or even here, but you can put it here. So this market is likely to come to this level before heading to the upside. But ladies and gentlemen, no shaking, because I've not seen any clear indication that this market actually on a reversal. It hasn't gotten to one major level or minor level, and I've not spotted maybe something like an M pattern or head and shoulder. All of those things I've not seen it. So if I spot it, then I'll probably know that, oh, this market is done. I want to start reversing to the downside. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm still very bullish on GBP JPY. So for this bad boy, you still have a long way to go. If you want me to give attention to you, this is looking like an head and shoulder pattern, ladies and gentlemen. Are you spotting that? This is looking like head and shoulder pattern on gold. It's looking like an head and shoulder pattern. How many people are seeing what I'm saying? Okay. How many people are seeing what I'm saying on gold right now? How many people are seeing what I'm saying on gold right now? How many people are seeing what I'm saying on gold right now? I don't know about forex trading since I started following your YouTube tech teaching. I've learned a lot and I'm still having a lot to learn. Thank you, sir. Welcome, Mr. Bryant. Your name sounds so new. How are you doing? Are you just joining us? And for how long have you been following our teaching on YouTube here? William Mutetua, good morning to you. Where are you joining us from today? Come on, you guys need to. I told you where are you joining us from. I've asked you, you have not responded. Madam Teresa, where are you joining us from? Bamidele Olatunji, Mr. Bryant, William Mutetua, and Kanye, where are you guys joining us from? And guys, if you know you have not smashed the like button, do that right now. Good morning, Emmanuel. Where are you joining us from today? So, ladies and gentlemen, we can spot inverse head and shoulder pattern on gold. No, I knew this thing is going to actually. I knew it's going to actually continue to go to the upside. I knew it from Friday that we had the NFP. I wanted to leave my gold for swing, but I know gold is a bad boy. That guy is a bad boy. You know what I'm saying? Look at it. Can you see the way he came down again? He sold massively down here before he started heading to the upside. So if you don't have a big account, don't near gold unless you just want to be very. No, when you want to trade and have a peace of mind while trading, just like we are having right now, like we're having a very peaceful trading moment. For like a month or 2 months right now, we've just been having a very, like, I'll be on a trade and I might not check my trade for like hours, for a day. Sometimes I won't even look at my MT4 or MT5. I'll just keep doing what I have to do. I just teach you guys and I just attend to my Telegram messages and then just move on. So that is what I call a piece of my trading system. How many people are with me on this? How many people are with me on this? I call it a piece of my trading system. Okay. So when you're trading with peace of mind, it gets, your worriness are very, very small. You don't get to be like, oh, it will hit my stop loss, oh, to take me out of profit. All of those things are not there. So I just know that it's going to just be a steady running in profit. So I'm just cool, calm, you know. That's how it works. So I know that gold is a bad boy. Because I know it's a bad boy, it might want to it might want to play with people's emotions. It might want to play with people's money. So I said no, we are not doing anything. So even me that I said I want to swing it, I later got out in profit. So let me get out, Jerry. And yesterday this thing was selling crazily. I just be like, this gold is just very crazy. The only time I'm very, very confident in taking gold right now is on NFP, and when gold has gotten to a major level, you want to just start a trend. It's not as if a trend has begun and you just want to up in, just like this GBPUSD that I called re-entry for you guys yesterday. I'm talking about a trend that just want to start trending, that you pick it from the major level. For that one there, my Ghana people will say, for that one there is there, you know. So that's how we roll. William Mutetwa from South Africa, Cape Town. Fidelity token say inverted and shoulder of gold. Now so spot it right. Atotri from Douala. Douala is from Cameroon, right? Marcus said you are, yeah, peace of mind though. Spirit Channel say good morning, boy. This is Emmanuel, Mr. Trade Zone from Delta State. You're welcome. Juliana, madam, we hail you, we greet you. How you doing? Can't hear you have not dropped your location. Hail, Charlie. You have not dropped your location. Where are you joining us from today? Okay, Atetri, I know it's from Cameroon. So if you have not smashed the like button, I'm giving you another 5 seconds to do that. 5, 4, 3. It's free. Do that right now. Juliana from Lagos. Arinze from Enugu. Good morning to you, Arinze. So, ladies and gentlemen, do you just get that explanation I made on gold? So, my overall bias right now, ladies and gentlemen, on gold is that it's coming here like it's a bad boy. It's a bad boy. From here, imagine from here, I've said gold is coming here. See all what he did before he now started showing me a sign that he want to listen and obey my instruction. Imagine gold. Gold is a bad boy. With all of these people that want to swing by can swing by, but me, I'm not going to play with my money like that. I want gold to get here. When gold get to this major level, I am going to now make a proper plan decision to swing gold, sell it massively to the downside. So that's my plan on gold. GBP keep growing in profits. Euro USD, ladies and gentlemen, I talked about this. We have a triple bottom here. I knew that this market is going to push the upside, but because we have to follow the instruction that has been given. What was the instruction? The instruction is weekly candle close above this line. Weekly candle. So before I make any decision on this trade, Friday candle have to close After Friday candle close, then I'll go to weekly time frame to see how the candle close, and I'll make my decision if I should enter the trade or not. Probably we can start taking the trade from next week. So that is on Euro USD. On BTC USD, ladies and gentlemen, is still daily guiding, still playing around, unless we have a proper break and retest before we start diving to the upside. NAS 100, we talked about that before. GBP JPY, we talked about that before, and AUD USD is still consolidating. GBP CHF, ladies and gentlemen, I don't just understand this pair. So I might wake up one day, I might decide that I don't want to see this pair on my watch list anymore. So but for now, I'm still enduring this guy on my watch list. So that is all for today, ladies and gentlemen. That's all for today. Okay, let me quickly read comment before we dive into question and answer. Juliana say you are now the king of swing trade. This is Juliana. Most of the time Juliana will go dey push me but for me, I go just dey humble here. No be me call myself king o. But any which way, I just want to be the best in this thing that I'm doing, and I want to make a lot of people too to be successful through this by God's grace. So just want to be very, very successful. As for me, I don't care if you're making any kind of money. In as much as I've set my own target profit, I've set my own goals, and I can smash my goals, smash yours. Depending on my goals can be bigger than yours, your goals can be bigger than mine. I don't care. In as much as you are smashing your goals and I'm smashing my goals, we're good. Okay, now me know my goal, I mean know my, that kind of thing. But calling one person king or the other, for that one there, me I not deal. For that one there, I not deal. Before now, some people go to call you a goat, you are goat. About that one, me I not dey. Anybody will like call me any name. And like this, I go just dey look, they talk. So good morning, Shimneze Royals. How you doing? Where you joining us from today? Mr. Brighty say Lagos, Nigeria, beautiful. Juliana say good is not for the faint-hearted. Trust me, that is very, very valid. Unless you have a big account to play around. He said, I think we should be swinging now. Okay, because of that inverse head and shoulder, right? Let me look at the pair again. Good, where are you? They say we should start swinging. Should we? Okay, you know what, guys? You know what? Let's do this. This is delete. Okay. So guys, this is the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Okay. So this market will still likely to come and retest, and upon the retesting, then I will now look with different bombastic side eye to look if we should swing this buy or not, or we should just wait until we get here. Anyone, I will look at it as time goes on. Okay, that is that, Juliana. Okay, so let's so Kanye is calling Juliana. I'm not the answer each other. Spirit channel says, sir, please, where will there be signal today? Hey, God help me with all these people looking for signal every day. What we did yesterday, we never even make the money finish. Every day signal. It is the earlier the better you understand that less is more and more is less. The earlier you understand, the earlier you understand that the more you keep taking trade, take this one, buy this, sell this, buy this, sell this, buy this. the more you see that you are losing more money. But the more you take a very, very quality A setup trade and you have a peace of mind, the more you will make more money. DBP USD will make more money. NAS 100 will make more money. DBP JPY will make more money. Gold will not be imported. So, ladies and gentlemen, you understand that? If you are from Nigeria, you must understand that. Madam Yelena, don't bring that one now. Let's continue having peaceful trading period. Abio, Marcus, don't tell you. Let's continue having peaceful trading period, though. And people like Spirit Channel that are looking for trade every day. One are reason now. Juliana say, but we should give honor to whom honor is due to. Now you, Juliana. Juliana feel hail slave, may become king. Now you get down. You should be an hype man. I'll be hype woman. I told you, he says, sir, please look at that gold pair. I've looked at it now. I've looked at it. Spirit Channel, gold no be play. And now, thank God, you know. Suraj Dada, good morning. How you doing, Suraj? Good morning, everyone. Sorry, I'm late. I'm busy. A busy day. It's a busy day for me, and I'm still not very free. I took my wife out for checkup. I will try not to miss that. Okay, it's fine. Wish you and your family a very, very beautiful and a safe, journey, and happily ever after. Manuel Dedeji say, let's wait for the waiters on the neckline before we start swinging gold. Well, for me, I don't know, Sha. Maybe we'll start swinging it or not. Kanye said from South Africa. Okay. What are you saying? I should say amen to. Say that again. I don't understand, Kanye. Are you referring to me? Juliana say, I'm not saying we should swing now. I'm just saying that I prefer swing now. I prefer swing now before the peace, because of the peace that come with it. Emmanuel say, me, I'm scared of gold trading. Why are you scared? It has dealt with you. Sorry for the so guys, that's out now. Question and answer section, guys. Question and answer session. Let's see if we can have a question and answer session. What is that question that you need to ask? What is those things that you need to know? Okay. Question and answer session, ladies and gentlemen. Spirit Channel. Be like, say I go talk to your spirit right now. He said, now the question he asked is that, sir, how long will it take to pass consumer evaluation phase 1 and 2? How am I supposed to know that? I don't know. There's no guarantee in trading. But thank God that we've been having massive testimonies. But I will never give anyone any guarantee, because even the market doesn't give me guarantee. So who am I to give you guarantee? So I don't give guarantee. I don't know. When you pass it, you pass it. Congratulations. Some people pass their Consummate Prop Firm before the NFP day. Some people pass it on the NFP day. Some people, a guy is almost has even passed his own that I uploaded on the public channel this morning. So life is on a different race for everybody. When you pass your own, congratulations. I can't say this is the time to pass, okay? And we are not hungrily trading here. You can see the way we've been talking, that you are trading with peace. Like, you enter trade, you relax. You let the trade do the job for you. Okay? So here, all those enter, buy now, sell now, buy now, sell now, buy now, sell now. It's USD, it's JPY. Those era, we've been there too, but we've passed there now. Okay? So Everything is peaceful here. You were saying something important and great, Sir Diamond. What was that thing that I was saying? Remind me, I've forgotten. Mutetwa said I should check USDJPY. It's not my watch list, guys. You need to understand that the USDJPY that I even look at the other day was because I want to just analyze and teach you guys some things, okay? So it's not my watch list, and any pair that is not my watch list, I don't want to put attention to it, okay? I don't want to put attention to it. It is a personal decision. It is a discipline measure that I'm putting in place for myself. So I trade less and I make more. When I trade much, I earn less. Okay, so you focus on few ones, you get used to those ones, you know what you are waiting for. Now if you wake me in the middle of the night, you tell me what are you waiting for, what is happening on Euro USD, I say Euro USD, I'm bullish on Euro USD, but I need it to just break some level for me to up into that trade. GBP USD, come on, is a bullish and I'm on that. Gold, I'm waiting for you to get to the level major and start coming down. Which other pair? AUD USD is consolidating. I needed to get to a level before I know my decision on it. Which other pair? GBP JPY, I'm already on that. I'm looking at it, it's retracing, but it's heading to the upside. Should I pair? NAS 100, I'm bullish on that. Still at the entry level, still parabolating around that area. You know, I can basically talk about all my trade on my watch list and tell them the behavior and where they are going. So that is it for me. So I've been learning to build a relationship with those peers, so I get used to those peers. So getting used to those peers will give me more confidence, and I know what I'm waiting for, and what I'm waiting for happen, I'll be very, very confident to up on the trade. Okay, so that's how it works. So not jumping from one trade to another. Okay, one of the cases, can I re-explain the GBP USD setup? Okay, I will answer you. I'm coming. Let me read the other setup. Atochu said, my question is how to properly draw a neckline. Like for example, the good trade, I was thinking the neckline would be the upper wicks. Okay. I will attend to that. That's the second question. Emmanuel said, my question is that do Consummate pay monthly without any delay? Okay. And last one, please, any update on GBP USD? Okay. Okay, for Aridoh, your own question, you will get it when I'm answering the question of Onodokere that I said I should re-explain the GBP USD setup. Now, Emmanuel, as we go, I will quickly answer your question. He said, my question is that the consumer pay monthly without any delay. Now, the thing is this: if you are just a fund, if you have been funded through Consummate, before you can initiate your first withdrawal, that will be like you'll be due for withdrawal after you have gotten your account after 1 month. Okay, let's say for instance you got your funded account maybe July 1st, so you'll be due for withdrawal by ending of July. That's your first month. Subsequent months, every 2 weeks you are due for withdrawal. Do you understand? So that's how it works. So I hope I've been able to answer your question, Emmanuel. Okay, now I'll answer Onodokere question last, and so right that I can learn from that. Now let me answer Atochu. He said, how do we draw a neckline? Now let me go. I don't know, my mouse messed up this morning, so I'm not really versatile with this mouse and laptop mouse pad. Okay, let me go to gold that you say you were thinking we are going to draw a neckline somewhere. Okay, so now look at it. We are on what time frame? We are on 4-hour time frame. The reason why I will never put my my neckline here was because most of the time, look at it, if I drag this thing back here right now, if I drag it back here, okay, I have to make sure it's straight. Okay, if I drag it back here, you will see that this thing is respecting. It's a neckline that will be properly respected. But if I bring it up, look at all this thing, you might be if I bring it up, one can fall a victim of a fake out. You know why? Let me zoom again. Oh my god, this is my mouse that is not working, not too big, sharp. Okay, so look at it. you can see that this price this candle, it wicks above, like it come up and wick below here. So that means there is something that actually make it to break. There's something that actually make it come down here. So there's a rejection here. Okay, look at this one too. It come up and it wick below, it close below. This one too, where they have always have a state of equilibrium, or I will call it a mood, a simultaneous price that everyone is actually certain, is this place that I draw this trend line. You can see this one close at that level, this one close at that level. All this one, they cannot close above, so they have to come down. All this one, they close to that level. So you see, all these ones right now will make me know that okay, this place is more valid because those candles are closing close to that level. But all these ones, you can't use them to predict. The wicks, you can't use them to predict because market got here and market wick down, market got here, market wick down. Okay, so if you look at it, the only thing that I know that this what was it called, this gold is ready for a up right now is that I've seen it break down neckline. The neckline has been broken. Because how do I know the neckline has been broken? You can see a bullish engulfing candle close above where every one of them are afraid to close in all this while. All of them have been afraid to close above. They are wicking down, but look at a close above. And where you see that when this one, when it wants to begin, it is close to this level. And that was why I had to make my decision of the neckline. That is where the neckline is. So right now, this market is coming to retest this neckline. You will see that this neckline will be properly respected. So once this neckline is respected, it's just a confirmation, just like that GBP/USD. Another inverse head and shoulder pattern that we have on the screen right now is NAS. I'll use that as an example again. Can you see NAS? So why didn't I put my stop loss, my neckline here? Because I know, look at how those candles were closing, but it came back to retest it and then boom to the upside. Forget all this news that infect all of this thing, but trust me, it still have something to fulfill here, but it doesn't mean that it has invalidated this. So another extra confirmation that I will have on NAS right now is if I see a 4-hour candle close above this second red line. If I see it, I'll be very confident that NAS is ready for that massive move to the upside. Okay, so but for now, I don't know, it might still want to come and retest here, but this happens to be the neckline. In fact, I can even adjust this neckline a little bit down, but at least it's okay for here. So now I'll now use this one to actually break finalize the whole thing, and I will also use it to answer the question of that person that said I should re-explain GBP/USD. Now if you look at GBP/USD, it's also inverse head and shoulder pattern. That's why you need to always understand all these chart patterns. When you see them, even if it is W, if it is M, if it is head and shoulder, if it is if it is triple bottom. I've shown you an example of triple bottom on EUR/USD. Sometimes there will be triple top. All these things are example are indication of a chart reversal pattern. Okay, so now we have this inverse head and shoulder pattern here. This is the neckline. Why didn't I put here? Because look at it, since this market was here, it has been coming here, come down, come here, come down. I knew when immediately I spot that this is an inverse head and shoulder pattern, I knew that this is the neckline. And that is why I drew this line yesterday. It was this line I drew it, I think yesterday. Yes, I think it was yesterday that I said I'm expecting GBP/USD to pull down all the way to this level. Once it pull down all the way to this level, upon confirmation, we'll enter it. We have another re-entry opportunity. And I come to 1 hour time frame. When I see that, you can see I won't quickly make decision, because if you go to 4 hour time frame, you see that this sell candle was massive too, was a bearish engulfing candle. But when I come to 1 hour time frame, it will break it down. Okay, so but look at this. 1 2 3 4, make 4 hours count. This 1 hour time frame, 1 2 3 4. Look at the 4 candle of this, 4 candle of this. You can see that this 4 candle is bigger than this 4 candle. That's to let you know that. And how did I quickly enter? How did I quickly know that we should enter here? Because I spot that this is the last candle here. If you go to that trading, what's this name? What's this book that I recommend for you guys this day? Candlestick Bible. Yeah, I remember. If you look at Candlestick Bible, they talk about this thing there. You will see market got here. The next candle that come up is bullish. It engulfs it. It consumed the previous candle. So because it consumed that previous candle, it's an opportunity. It's an indication to let you know that, come on, this market has actually gotten to a place of reverse, like a place of bus stop, and people that want to take this market to the upside have taken over from the sellers. So buyers have taken over with this candle alone. I know. So immediately this candle close, I call it out for you guys, and you guys can see, you guys, your trade result can bear the remaining witness. Do you understand? So right now I know this market is still coming down here, so no shaking, one love. Okay, so this market will still come down here to this level, because look at it, there is a rejection here. You can see this is where the market got to in the first place, and it started coming back down. So the market will still come and retest that level and then continue to the upside. That is what we're expecting on GBP USD. So ladies and gentlemen, do I answer your question properly? Okay, so well, we have a very stable internet connection today. That's beautiful. Okay, now any other question? I think I've answered that question. Okay, Marcus said, can someone enter the trade on NAS 100 now? Where are you when I say everybody should enter? I don't understand. Like, I don't understand. Marcus, you've been with me for a long time, Baba. You don't stay with me for a long time, since last year, if I can remember. Where are you when I was calling an entry for NAS 100? Right now, if you're asking if you should enter NAS 100, if you enter, now your own, no. Now your own, because okay, for the people that I said they can have a re-entry opportunity safe, you can see. That's why I said it is always good to take trade from what? Guys, take it from me. It is always good to take your entry from the major level, especially if you are swing trading, because anything can happen if you are not taking trade on that swing. Now look at it. This market come to the neckline, move in profit, and afterwards it come back again, probably to come and retest this trend line. Okay, so now people that enter from here, they will have been drawdown right now, hoping for this thing to enter back in profit. But we that we have entered from bottom here, we are still swimming in profit. So if you say you want to enter now, I don't know if you have a big account size that can accommodate your stop loss to be under this major level, then you can enter. Because I don't understand why some of you are like this. Sometimes I just think about why are you guys like this? When this trade, I can remember that I keep calling. Even this GBP USD, you will still see some people that will still be looking for another entry opportunity. I remember that I keep saying this trade is ready, this trade is ready. That's how I make so much noise on GBP JPY. I make so much noise on AUD USD. I make so much noise on GBP USD. I make so much noise on NAS. So much every time I was keep making noise. When it's not as if I'm going to take your MT4 or MT5 and help you to place the trade there automatically. Okay, so you guys can do better. Okay, so Andy Wale says, since the challenge of consumers is 8 and 5%, can a trade that give you massive profit be enough to pass it at a go without first pass? No, sir. You have to, if you pass 8% phase 1, you'll be given another account to trade again from afresh to start phase 2 or 5%. That's how it works. And this is why I usually tell you guys, go for one evaluation phase. If you follow my instruction, you will always enjoy it. If you don't follow, you always bear it. Kanye, you said I didn't know. What didn't you know? Let me understand. Thank you, sir. Diamond. Okay, you're welcome. On point money say I just come and I think I did not late too much. You late, oh, you late. You that I know that you're asking some newbies question yesterday. You late. Better you rewatch the video. You late. Okay. Aridoh said, can one verify an account with consummate traders using NIN? I think you can. And I think the best people that can answer that is, I think you can. Yes, I think you can. And if you're not, if you want to be very, very sure, you can message the live chat, live support. But I think you can. Atochu said, thank you, sir. It is well understood. Beautiful. Kanye say, wow, congratulations on everyone. Kanye, you are just speaking in parables. Let's understand what you are congratulating us for. Before you say, wow, I didn't know. Thank you, sir Diamond. What are you thanking me for? I don't understand though. Let's understand what you want us to understand though. So that's that about that, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any question, again, anybody that has any question, let me know. Call it a day from here. Should we call it a day from here? My people in the Signal channel, we get beef, we get liver. Get beef together, we get liver. In fact, we get kidney together at this level. And you guys know what you did. Simple instruction, simple requirement. It's all right. Immediately I'm finishing this live session, me, I go do my environmental. I usually let you guys know what I want to do before I do it. And I've given enough room for people to actually right their wrong yesterday. Mr. On Point, be looking for trade there. If you are looking for trade opportunity, join us in the live session in the mentorship channel. Anytime I decide. Yesterday now. Was it yesterday? Yes, it was yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yes, I think it was yesterday. Yesterday we were here, you were looking for a trade opportunity. Did I see any trade opportunity? I didn't see, and I didn't call. But after some time, I saw a very clear trade opportunity, and I call it for the people in the Signals channel, and they've been making massive profits since yesterday. Just imagine the kind of profit they have been making since yesterday on GBP USD. I caught this trade from them here yesterday, just from here. This trade has rallied up. How many pips? Let's calculate. It has gotten to almost over 140 pips this morning. It's retracing now to like 120 pips. It has rallied over 140 pips since yesterday. So that is the benefit of the people in the Signal channel. So you don't come to live session always looking for trade. Rather, you come here to learn. If you want to get the mentorship and the Signal, come into the mentorship and the Signal channel. That's how it works. So don't think you can outsmart everybody or you can cheat everybody. You have to follow the due process. The process will always, that's it. Okay. I'm talking to On Point. I'm talking to all the people that have not joined the mentorship and the Signal channel. I come in peace. Juliana Akisoju say we are also growing on YouTube, boss. Yeah, we're growing in all ramifications, my sister. We're growing in all ramifications. Okay, you're welcome, Mr. Andy. Give you last chance. About go and monitor your trade. Juliana Akisoju say from 11 live views to 23 live views. Okay, the ministry is moving. The thing is this, sometimes if the network is breaking, so some of them we get out again, join again, some people will just get frustrated. Some people get frustrated with the whole process and not join again and come and rewatch later. So at least I know we've been having consistent from that range that you said, from 11 to 23 live views. We've been consistent with that. But I can't wait for us to start having 23,000 live views. Like, and 3,000 people watching us live, and we do all this thing that we keep doing, and we laugh like we always laugh. But guess what? All these people that are with me from now, I still keep mentioning you guys' name, even if you are thousands of people, even if we are millions of people, we are just grace, we'll get there. Arrange they say okay, thanks. Can you say for the wins and gains that you had from all swing DRS? Okay, thank you, Gary. It's all right. On point, I got your point. On point, I get your point. It's all right. Okay, so that's that about that, ladies and gentlemen. Any other question? Any other question before we call it a day? Any other question, ladies and gentlemen, before we call it a day? My mouse is spoiled now. I'll probably get another one from Ikeja or order online. But either way, if I once my mouse is okay, we'll start our top-down analysis again. I'll start with you guys suggest a PR, we'll analyze it together again, okay? So, but now I don't like using laptop mouse. You know, they do me, and my mouse just spoiled this morning. So just have to get another one. So then we'll start doing. But for now, I can still answer question and answer. I can do one or two things for you guys to understand what's going on. Imagine see question. Ibuka Michael say Ibuka said sorry, I'm just joining now. What trade was called? When you watch it from the beginning to this level, you will understand the trade that we've been calling. Ibu say I've been saving up to buy a 5K prop. I can't wait to join the moving train. It's all right. God will help you. Emmanuel Dedeji say random question. Have you traded at a synthetic before? The truth of the matter is I've not. I've never traded synthetics before, but I know, I am very sure by the mercy of the Most High God, if I lay my hand on any synthetic pair, maybe boom crash, boom 1 or boom 100, boom whatever named all those synthetics, if I lay my hands on any of those pair, I will kill it. It is certainly sure by God's grace. Because this knowledge I'm teaching you guys, it is going to kill any market. Trust me. That's why you guys don't know you don't understand the value yet, but you still understand the value and you appreciate it. Joy Opakunle, you're just welcome. You're in the signal channel. I don't used to see signal. If you are in the signal channel and you don't used to see signal, then we should be the one that we ask, why don't you used to see signal? Maybe you are not active with your Telegram. Maybe you have too many Telegram messages, or the one buy now, sell now, buy now, sell now, buy now, sell now. Maybe you don't have a specialized notification tone for the DAOM Empire channel, so that when a trade idea is called, you quickly know. I don't know. In fact, from what you said now and from the question you asked me before, that how do you know how to calculate your lot size on a trade, shows that you have not been very active. You are just in the signal channel, which is not good enough. It's not healthy for your growth. The last NFP we had before we had this last one, I did a video, I pinned it in the signal channel explaining how you can actually calculate your lot size on any trade whatsoever, how you can know the kind of risk you want to take, how you can calculate the kind of lot size that's going to suit the kind of risk you want to take. It was just yesterday or middle of the night that I saw your message that you said, how do you know how to calculate? So even if you are not always online, but if you keep following, okay, since I've not been online and they've dropped a lot of message, let me just start from the beginning. Let me start following up with everything that they have said. That channel is not a group where you have flooded message. It's not a group. So it is a channel that I am only the one, or the only people that can drop message there are the admin. And currently I'm the only admin dropping message in the Signal channel. So no matter the kind of message, I don't think I drop 20 messages in a day. It's very, very rare. So even if you are not available for the whole of the day, maybe in the evening, for you to go through the 20 messages that we've gone through for the day, when it's not like a dictionary message, you should be able to do that. Contribute to your own growth. Nobody will do that for you. I can only provide you and show you guys what is possible. I cannot force you to take action. I cannot force you to learn it. I can only give it to you, present it to you, expose you guys. I cannot force you to do anything. But people that have worked on themselves, they will always have the results. It's very, very simple. So that's it. Kanye say we are grateful and we see value your work, sir, and your blessing. Thank you so much, Kanye. I appreciate that. Emmanuel Odedeji say, let's try it, sir. I think their market is simpler than Forex. I'm not going to try that. I'm not going to try that, okay? And that's because I focus on my focus. If you are doing synthetics, you make money. If you are doing Forex, you make more money. If you are doing stocks, you make more money. Indices makes more money. If you are doing synthetics, you will not be imported. So in that regard, anyone you want to do, you can do. But for me, I've chose what I want to focus on, and focusing on that doesn't mean that I won't make money. I'm not looking for, and there's nothing that says this one that I'm doing is not simple. It might only be complex to you because you've not understand it. And there's nothing that says that one too is simpler than this. Everything has their cons and pros. Okay. So, but the one I have choose, I'm ready. Just like Jeffrey Benson we said, he said, just know your strategy and accept the devil behind it. Just know your strategy and accept the devil behind it. So I think that's the way Jeffrey Benson put it to me that day that we were talking. So that's that. Chibo is say once you are funded in the Consummate Prop Firm, how often can one withdraw profit? Is there any time of weekly or monthly? I've answered the question before now. Maybe you are not here then. I said the first one is after 1 month that you have been given that funded account. Any profit you make after 1 month, you are due for withdrawal. Subsequent month 2, 3, 4, 5, as from the second month upward, it is every 2 weeks that you are due for withdrawal. Okay. Joy Okwakunle say, but I checked what you have sent before. I didn't see any signal, at least checking from 3 weeks back. Hey, wait. Can people from the Signal channel help me answer Joy Okwakunle? She said, but I checked what you have sent before. I didn't see any signals, at least checking from 3 weeks back. Please, people in the Signal channel, help me answer Joy Okwakunle. People, please, I'm waiting for you guys' response. This one shocked me. It shocked you? It shocked me. Shocked me. It shocked me. I'm waiting for you guys' response. Kindly help me answer how. Hey, it's well. 80% I know those. I'm waiting. Mr. Bryton says sometimes network will be the reason why I will not be able to finish viewing, but good network today. Yeah, but do yourself a favor. Even if network is breaking at the live, make sure you always come back to watch it. Remember, rewatching it is not doing me much favor compared to the favor it's going to do you. But the one that I want to learn, okay? It is what I know that I'm teaching. It's not as if me I'm learning something from you guys for now, okay? Sean, for you to love, say there was even a signal yesterday. Let me tell am tell am Fidelity Token say, then I think you are in the wrong channel, sis. Tell am Juliana Akinsoju say probably in a wrong group. Tell am Chibueze said they have been signal, but mostly if you are active in the live session. Even in the live session, if I see a signal, I will still post it in the signal channel. I make sure I do that every time I'm dropping signals. Anything that make me drop, because I know that some people in the signal channel, I've made it upon myself to always give them signals. Some of them, they will have to come and rewatch because of some people who are going to work, some people one thing or the other, and they have some valid reasons. And that's why I don't base that you joining live session, I don't base it on that. Is why I'm removing it from the signal channel, because I know there are different reasons. But you not uploading to that YouTube and sending me your trade results in my DM, I see no reason you can't do that. So that one there is enough reason for me to remove it from the signal channel. So, but anytime I drop any trade on this live session, I make sure I copy the same trade, I drop it on the signal channel. I can go and just go to that signal channel and search live, because most of the time I will say live trade or live trade from live session. I usually do that. Okay, so make an help me tell Joy Okpakunle. Michael LH said there was signal on GBP USD yesterday. Make una tell am Marcus Football said there are 4 to 5 group you created. Maybe she is not in the one you normally send signal to. She is in the one I'm sending signal to. I've checked her name, she is there. And I'll even check after now. She is in the signal channel. Make una tell her, make she know they lie on top my head. Oh, hell, this kind lie, make person lie for 3 weeks back. Away. What are people now sitting down doing in the signal channel? Even if you are not calling any trade for 3 weeks back, that means we are in a swing trade and we are making it massively. But that is not even the case this time around. Okay. Shibueze said, but still the signal are still posted. I've been now. Signals are always been posted there. Juliana said the signal channel is 101% active with buzzing signal. Can you hear? Mokuna tell them Fidelity Token, I'm currently running on $80 from profit of yesterday signal. $80 profit to tell them this is somebody, this hear them Joy, so you can know what is going on. This is somebody that said in the signal channel is running $80 profit right now. Kanye said every day and anytime signals are called out by our best mentor. Mokuna tell them Joy, my hand no dey there no be me do am me I no dey there I no follow them come This one shock me It shock you? It shock me. It shock me. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's that about that. Any question? Any question? Okay, I'm coming. Joy Okpakunle, I will want you to send me message on Telegram, okay? So sending me message on Telegram will help me to look out for your name again. And if luckily, you hear me, I said luckily. If luckily I discover you are not in the signal channel, I am very sure you earn it for yourself. Can I repeat that? I am very sure you earn it. I'm very sure you earn it. You can see. can see they don't answer you. So it's either you are not in this, and if you are not in the signal channel, then you probably maybe you have violated the rules of the signal channel. Trust me. Trust me. And if you violate the rules of signal channel, trust me, I want to make sure. Okay, I can see Joy Opakunle right now. Let me look at our message. Oh, this my mouse thing. You see how private channel link. God. The following instruction this live. Guys, I'm coming on. Just hold on. I'm going to actually teach us some lessons this morning. I'm looking at our chat from beginning. I'm trying to understand what's going on. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I know what is wrong now. According to Joy Opakunle, I know what is wrong now, and I'm going to answer. I want everybody to learn from this. I want everybody to learn from this. So before I go to that, let me quickly read some comments here so that I don't miss out any. Every day and signals are called out. Okay, maybe the signals are for swingers. Juliana say Joy can be okay. Marcus say Joy, are you a scalper trader? You are working on answering Marcus, yes. Give some boost to boss more knowledge. On point, please you can only be on point when you join the signal, when you join the mentorship. Okay, so leave us for, you can't be I give priority to my mentors, to my mentee and my students. Okay, so now this is what happened to Joy Opakunle. Okay, she messaged me for a long time. She wanted to join the mentorship channel. I gave her the instruction, back and forth. She will go, she's not ready. At the end of the day, when she finally funded her account, this is the way I do for every other people in the signal channel can bear me witness. Firstly, I send you the link to the mentorship channel. After sending you the link to the mentorship channel, I've started doing something of recent. I will send you the courses, how to start forex trading, and all the teachings, the tutorials that you can learn yourself, that you can be an independent trader yourself. Okay, I'll send that with that link to the mentorship channel, and I will back it up with audio instruction. Now look at it. When I sent a mentorship channel to Joy Opakunle, send the tutorial of how to learn trading yourself, and then I now send an instructional audio. That audio is saying, listen everybody, the audio is saying go to the mentorship channel. That mentorship channel, go over all the pin message. There are some things there are some information that you might need to listen to, that you must have missed before you join us, that I've taught them. I pinned them in the mentorship, so you need to go through all of those pin messages. And after going through all this pin message, you can get back to me. And I'm very sure that if anybody go through all the pin messages, there are places in the pin message, there are some places in the pin message that I said this channel, this mentorship channel, will not post signals here. If you are new, message me now to give you access to the signal channel. I intentionally do it like that because I know that if you don't go to that pin message, you won't see that message because other messages will have covered it. Ask Juliana, did she go through that pinned message that where I said if you are not going to be sending signals here, but if you want to have access to signals, message me. I should give you access to the signal channel right now. She didn't do that. She didn't request for having access to the signal channel. One, the audio I sent to her again, I stated it clearly in that audio that the mentorship channel I send you is not where we send signal. It is after you finish with all the pin message in that mentorship channel, that is when you should come back to me. Then I will now give you access to the signal channel. It is stated in audio and in written. Joy Opakunle, she did not come to me. She only did what? Okay, the next question. This is June 30, July 10. The last conversation we had was June 30. The next conversation after that is July 10. And look at that space. How many people have I dealt with? I have hundreds of messages in a day. Thousands of people. You guys can see how many we are in the public channel. So I have messages from public channel, messages from mentorship channel. So now, since that time you didn't message me, you just come and I tell you go to the signal channel, because I believe it's supposed to have been the signal channel, and you didn't even tell me. You have not added me to the signal channel, or probably you didn't even come back to me that you have gone through all the pin message that I said you should go through. You should go through. You didn't come back to me. So this is the way you are missing out. You are missing out massively. Massive opportunities you have missed. You are not always joining the live session. And in fact, I must say maybe today is the first time I'm seeing you on the live session. You might have, I might not remember, but this one I just remember. But you might not be joining the live session frequently, and at the same time, you did not follow the instruction I gave you. Now you are in the mentorship channel where I only give instruction and how you can grow your own knowledge yourself. You are not in the channel that I drop signals every now and then. So who is to be blamed for that? Joy, it is all your fault. Listening to instruction. You see, what will help you to, it's not about signals. It's not about taking signals that will help a lot of people to be successful in this industry. It's about being loyal, being submissive to a mentor who knows the road, who is going to show you the road. It's not about that. Well, I tell you for free. It's not about I know it's support and resistance. It's beyond that. You need somebody who will show you. There are some things that will never be taught on chat. It is going to be taught by experience and time. If you want to figure it out yourself, trust me, you will take a lot of time to figure it out yourself. But if you see somebody that have gone through it, figure it out, come out of it successfully, they can put you through in no time. Better be serious. Better be the type that is following instruction 100%. When you are giving instruction, follow it 100%. It's going to support your growth. That is what happened to Joy Opakunle. So, okay, now she's admitting that I used to rewatch it. Okay, sir, I accept my fault. Fine. It's good you accept your fault. Kindly go and rewatch all those videos or all those pin messages. Go and rewatch everything, or go and re-listen to everything. It's not even watch, it's about listening and reading. Go and listen and read everything. Once you are done, get acquainted with all the instructions that are given in the mentorship channel. If you are done with that, you can now let me know. I'll give you access to the signal channel. Is that okay? Junior, now you first come. It's all right, Joy. It's all right, Joy. Now that's how we're going to do it. Just learn from what I've said and learn from your own mistake also. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any question, you can see there. If you don't have question, let me start saying some bye-bye slowdowns in the chat box. Let me start seeing some buys roll downs in the chat box. Okay. As in this today live session. Oh, it pay me say Suraj dey busy. Suraj wey dey always observe. Suraj, you wey dey always observe. You no come dey today well. This live session na bad today. Now my mouse not make me teach una special things today, you know. It's alright. At least we still learn now, isn't it? Did we learn? We learn. People that know Junior Richard will know that anytime I don't see Junior Richard, I will always know that where this guy did. Even though I know saying that late come in debut for live session, but at least they always they show up. And when they show up, we will let you know that I do. I just they come. But it's alright. Love you guys, and I wish you guys successful day. Okay. So that's what we're going to still be patient with our trade. Let our trade do what it has to do. You can see GBP USD is retracing right now. So based on the instruction I've given you guys, you need not to panic. You don't need to bother. It's only coming to retest where I probably wanted to retest and then continue to the uptrend. Because you know it's not possible for a market to just keep trending down without going up. Just trending up without retracing. So you have to retrace, you know. So that is what is happening on GBP USD. Shibuzi, what's the meaning of Aridoh? I don't know. So bye bye, ladies and gentlemen. Is that all for today? Any question for call it today? That's if you have any question. If no question, let's just call it today. Samuel Adeleke, what do you mean by socially me? I don't understand. Question. Bye. Anyone, let me see it in the chat box. Let me make my decision. I still have to look at the chart anyway. After you guys are gone, I'll still look at the charts. GBP USD, be a good boy. NAS 100, be a good boy. GBP JPY, be a good boy. AUD USD, continue being a good boy. GBP CHF, this trade, this pair, I just did look am sure. I don't know. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our NFP trade. Pump. Boom to the upside. Can see smash all the TP. For this trade, I like it and it mess with people emotion. It mess with people emotions. But I was just smiling. People that will follow my instruction are the people that will be very, very happy with this trade. People that will listen to their emotions like this, or even some of my ogas, sorry to say, some of my ogas, they don't some don't even trade NFP. Some that traded NFP just accept their loss and move on. But give glory to God for our own growth. Okay, beautiful. So that's all. You're welcome, Richard. Adjust. Samuel, that's beautiful. We learned something today. Thank you very much, Kanye. Thank you, everybody. So bye bye, everybody. We'll call it a day from here. I have other things to do. My time is going. Time is morning. Thank God we have this kind of knowledge that can print money for us even without us stressing so much. No stress, easy money, peace of mind money. Yeah, thank you. Fidelity token. Bye bye.